Right, hello everyone. Playing Monkey Mischief Horror. But if I die, the video ends. I will be uploading a Gorilla Tag video soon. Just need to make it. Monkey Mischief is more affordable, I would say. Because Gorilla Tag videos are often long and yeah, okay. It's my nose. Okay, we are going to what is the challenge? So if we die, we're out. But we also have another challenge. Get there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the tall water slide. Not water slide. There's a monkey up there. And I'm pretty sure there's a monkey down there. So if I make a break for it, I could win. This is on solo. I'm gonna die. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we did it, we did it. We made it. I'd love to see another day. Monkeys, you down there? I don't see no scary monkey. I don't see no scary monk. This game. Oh my god, what is that? Is that a vacuum cleaner? Shit. I made another one of these for Silly Monkey. But he's not gonna upload it, so I decided I'm not gonna upload that one. But I am gonna upload this one. But I mean, if this video gets 15 likes, then I will upload it. Yeah, 15 likes. I know I'm asking for a lot. Okay. Jump down, bubblegum. Oh my god. So, I think we're almost there. To the top of the tree. Okay, I'm just kidding. So, I'm trying to figure it out. That is the tallest. Or is that? I don't know what that is, but I know lightsabers are up there, and we're trying to get a lightsaber. Yeah, there's lightsabers in Monkey Mischief. If you didn't watch the last video, then you wouldn't know. Alright, I really can't see anything from up here, so I have to go down. This is a more reasonable option. Still can't see anything. Oh my god. That was so close. Okay. There's a branch. Okay, we are extremely close. Yeah, hi! My little boy. Whoa, what are you two doing? Oh, he's sniffing his armpit. Alright, so I have a game plan. There's no one as bait, so we would have to run over there. Fast as we can. Well, they do whatever they're doing. So we'd have to get onto the frame. This ramp leads right up to it. Okay. By the way, if I die, the video's over. So wait. Okay, they're gonna continue kissing. Alright, ready? Go. Wait, is there not a... Oh my god, we made it, oh my god. So we have made it. And where are the lightsabers? Where are the lightsabers? Where are the lightsabers? Okay, so there's no lightsabers. I don't think that means you only have one more choice. We have to make it to there, but I don't know how to. Well, the monkeys are still after me, but... Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, Sylvester. Oh no, so... Right, we're on a rock. Okay. So we completed the first challenge, but the video won't end until I die. So, gonna try to get the carnival. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Whatever is underneath this big rock, which I believe is nothing. Watch this. It's gonna go on for a while, honestly. As I am a pro. Oh, did we just find something? Okay, we're on the rocky edge, I think. So if we just keep on following this, we should go the other way. So I believe there is no rocky ridge. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wanna make Okay. Okay, I'm gonna run for it. Making a run for it. Oh, I don't think the monkeys can get me up here. At least not for a little bit.